Behind this tutorial I would like to show you how to remove background from any image in GIMP. So if you want to do it, you need to select this one option, it is Paths tool. It will let you to create and edit paths in your project. You can click on this one option or click B from your keyboard, and then you need to select here design. Okay, so now I press and hold Ctrl from my keyboard and I scroll up to zoom in this object, and we need to draw a path around the object. So I click here, then I scroll up and I click here, then I zoom out and I go to the another corner, then I click here, I need to scroll down and I need to click here, and then the last point will be somewhere here. Okay, so now we need to click on selection from path, and then we need to zoom out, so I press and hold Ctrl, and how you see our object is selected now. So now we need to click right mouse button on the layer, and then we need to click on add alpha channel. After that we need to go to select and go to invert. Then we need to go to edit and select here clear. So I click on it, and how you see background has been successfully deleted from an image. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.